You lie down. The world goes away. 8 hours pass, or what feels like 8 minutes. You wake up foggy, desperate, or strangely alert. We spend a third of our lives doing it. We still don't fully know why. Why do we sleep? Sleep is not a passive state. It's an active, regulated process. Brain activity during REM looks similar to waking. The body cycles through 4 to 5 stages every night: light sleep, deep sleep, REM. Each stage has a job. Skipping any of them has consequences the next day. The system is precise, ancient, and unforgiving. The oldest theory: sleep restores the body. Muscles repair. Tissues grow. The immune system ramps up. Growth hormone releases in pulses during deep sleep. There's real evidence for the body, but the brain doesn't seem to need sleep the way the body does. Brain metabolism stays roughly the same around the clock. Restoration explains the body, not the mind. Sleep is for memory. During deep sleep, the hippocampus replays the day's events. The replay transfers memories from short-term to long-term storage. The cortex reorganizes what was learned. Pattern finding happens. Skill memory consolidates. Skimp on sleep, and the day's lessons don't stick. The brain literally rewires itself at night. The most recent theory: sleep is for cleanup. The glymphatic system, a network of channels around blood vessels, opens up during deep sleep. Cerebrospinal fluid washes through the brain, clearing metabolic waste. One of the waste products, beta amyloid. The protein that builds up in Alzheimer's. Poor sleep, poor clearance. The brain's dishwasher runs at night. REM sleep is when we dream. The brain is active. The body is paralyzed. Atonia prevents us from acting out dreams. The dreams themselves may be the cortex trying to make sense of random signals from the brainstem. Or they may be rehearsal for threats. Or nothing. We don't know. The dreams slip away within minutes of waking. The consequences of not sleeping: cognitive decline after 17 hours awake equals a blood alcohol of 0.05. 3 days without sleep and you start to hallucinate. Rats deprived of sleep die within 2 weeks, faster than if deprived of food. Sleep is not optional. It's load-bearing. Every animal sleeps. Even fruit flies. Even jellyfish, which have no central nervous system. The need is universal. Some animals sleep with half their brain at a time: dolphins, whales, migratory birds. The brain can't fully rest and the body can't fully stop. But something has to give. The circadian rhythm runs on a roughly 24-hour cycle, controlled by the suprachiasmatic nucleus, a tiny region in the hypothalamus. Light resets the clock every morning. The clock controls when you feel sleepy, when you're alert, when you should eat. Disrupting the clock, shift work, jet lag, has measurable effects on mood, weight, and disease risk. We don't fully know why we sleep. Restoration. Memory. Cleanup. Probably all three, plus things we haven't found. What we do know: without it, everything falls apart. The system is ancient, the cost of skipping it is high, and the next chance to recover is tonight. Sleep is the most expensive thing you do for free.